Still printing invoices and signing them and scanning back them like it's 1999? From 2026, that's not just old fashioned, it will be against UAE law. So what exactly is happening? The UAE government is making e-invoicing mandatory. That means every VAT registered business, big companies, small shops, even freelancers must issue invoices through an online system in a fixed digital format. No more PDFs, no more email attachments. And these invoices must go through the FTA system in real time. Before even your customer sees them, FTA will look after it. So now the question is, why is this happening? Because the government wants more transparency, less fraud, and faster tax collection. Countries like India and Saudi Arabia are already having it. Now it's UAE's turn. And what if you don't comply? If you don't follow the new rules, your invoices must be rejected, your VAT claims can be denied, payments could be delayed, and yes, you will face penalties. The timeline is very clear. Mid 2025, large companies will start first. July 2026, every VAT registered business must comply with e-invoicing. So what should you do today? Number 1, check how you issue invoices. Number 2, see if your software supports e-invoicing. Number 3, prepare to connect with FTA approved providers only. Number 4, start testing early. Don't wait until the deadline. If this sounds too technical, don't worry. That's where Dhanguard comes in. We will check your current invoicing system, map your invoices to the new format, and connect you with the right provider and keep you fully compliant. With Dhanguard, you can avoid stress and penalties both. So mandatory invoicing is not a maybe. It's coming in 2026. If you want to know more, comment below with your business type. We will share you advice tailored for you. Like and subscribe for more simple updates on business setup rules in UAE. And if you want to be penalty free and ready on time, contact Dhanguard today. We will make your invoicing digital, simple, and stress free.